Bus number 10 is a train. So we're in Bari today and we're going to do an excursion called Splendours of Old Bari. We're on a little train. I love a moat. Huh? I love a moat. I'd have liked to have seen inside the castle. That's very pretty. She's showing us pasta now. This looks like different types of cereal. Somebody has put a load of hats on this lighting. This street is very cute. This is the smallest street in Bari. She said it's called Kissing Street.
Saint Lucy.
Saint Lucy. But she said it's called Kissing Street.
Yeah, it's known as Kissing Street.
It's like every stereotypical advert you see of Italy. Then it's a church. You love a church. You wouldn't even know that's a church. My favourite part of this is the IKEA lights. There's a lot of flies in Bari.
There's one in your head at the moment.
We're in the Cathedral of San Sabino. I think that's what she said. I've seen other people go down the stairs. I don't know what's down here. But we'll discover soon. This is impressive. We're number 10 in case you didn't realise. Dennis isn't just following that woman. She's like Eva Knievel, that one. From washing her shutters. Actually, we're going to walk underneath that now, so. I'm not sure people should be motorbiking in these alleyways. This is the Basilica of Saint Nicholas, and by Saint Nicholas they mean Santa Claus. This is Santa Claus's house. They went to Turkey to steal Saint Nicholas's body and bring it back to Bari. That's not very Christian, is it? And now he's Santa Claus. We have free time now to look around Bari. Oh, there's Saint Nicholas over there. I'm not sure what these animals are meant to be. I think they might have been horses at one stage, or were they cows or hippos. That's the relics of Saint Nicholas there. There's a mass on, so we're just going to go down to the crypt. Look, you're getting Holy Communion. Afraid to cross the road because pedestrian crosses in Italy tend to be optional, really. Are you warm?
Yes.
It's actually very nice. See, I wasn't expecting Bari to be as nice as this. Dennis, look, the little lizard on the wall. This is lovely. These are the city walls. It's very nice here. Dennis, you could throw things down at people and they wouldn't even know. It's a lovely place to just sit on a Sunday morning. There's this lad with the Maserati. Look at him. He's cool as fuck. She's bringing us to try focaccia now, which I'm quite excited about because I really like focaccia, but usually it's just the one from Lidl, so I hope this is just as nice, if not nicer. I'm going to try this focaccia.
Nice.
Lovely.
Is it nice?
Lovely. Did you like it?
I did, it was lovely.
It's actually really nice. Just like life. We're going to be on Adriana's Instagram now. This man makes puppets. This is incredibly cute. Look. They're amazing. This is the main square. It's lovely. This post here is where they used to tie bad people to, and then they'd throw fruit at them. That's meant to be a lion. I'm not sure it's an accurate representation. Oh. It's very nice. Oh, this square is where Old Bari meets New Bari. You can tell because there's a McDonald's over there. What's he up to? That man didn't want me recording, so I've decided to put my euro I was going to give him to much better use.
A double cheeseburger.
Yeah. This is Teatro Margherita. That's lovely. So you weren't lying about the cheeseburger. A lot of the cities we've been to in Italy have a lot of graffiti, but this one doesn't. It's just very nice. So we're back on the drive. She wants us to sing now.
Penso che un sogno così non ritorni.
Like Max Verstappen now. So that was Bari. It was so much nicer than I was expecting it to be. I was even thinking about not getting off the ship here, but I'm really glad I did. It was a really nice city.
It is. I definitely really enjoyed it now, walking around the old town. I wasn't expecting it to be as nice, but no, definitely, I really enjoyed it.
And we saw Santa Claus too, which
We
is
did.
the main thing.